Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have Chris here. Today we're gonna work on his Jeep. We are installing a dash cam. So Chris had a little incident the other day. I'll have him explain it a little bit, but Masigo actually hit us up. They're a dash cam company. They sell on Amazon and they offered to send us a dash cam. So I told Chris if he wanted it, he said yes. So we're gonna go ahead and install it. And before Chris actually tells the story, he has gotten in a lot of accidents. Not his fault though, it's just California roads, the California drivers. Not lots, only like 2 or 1. I don't know how many.
We'll keep that disclosed.
We'll keep that disclosed. But it's because the drivers here, they suck. They don't know how to drive. So, Chris, go ahead and tell us your story.
All right, so what had happened was I was driving down the street, minding my own business, and I was merging into a lane, and then I hear a little thud in the back, and then I see a Type R just pass me on the shoulder.
So they went around you. They're fast cars, and they went around Chris. And you know how Chris drives. He drives fast, so.
Sometimes.
So for that guy to go around Chris, that means he was fine. So anyways, let's go ahead and unbox this. Chris, do the honors. So this is what you can expect inside the box. And like I said, they sell on Amazon. That's why it's in an Amazon box. Pop it.
Hey, have you noticed every YouTuber doesn't use a knife to open up?
That's so true. I honestly never thought about that, but you're right. Look at you. Oh, so first we get a memory card. That's pretty dope.
32 gigs.
That's good. Then we have 2 boxes.
You get one for your dash and one for your rear.
Oh, so this actually is dope. It comes with both cameras, so you'll be protected on both sides.
I'll be protected up in the front and the back.
Let's see the dash cam. Let's see how that one looks. And we're gonna see how it mounts in this Jeep. Oh, I see a 3M tape. That's nice.
All right.
That's actually nice.
Inside?
GPS. So it has some little pins. I'm guessing it connects to the actual camera. That is dope. So it is GPS tracked, so it's always nice to have.
So if someone steals my Jeep, I'll find you?
Yeah, we're gonna find you. I might have to pick one up for my Jeep too. Freaking Chris.
Damn.
Sheesh. That's actually really nice. I'm glad it's not big like other cameras.
Look, it has a nice screen.
A screen too. So what are the buttons on there? Let's see.
Okay.
So I'm guessing that's for like the menu buttons.
Up, down.
Oh, look. Picture, audio, back button. I don't know what the other one is.
Multimedia.
Oh, multi. So this is how it mounts. It clicks onto here, and this is what the GPS tracking is as well.
Dude, that's dope.
That's actually pretty nice, yeah. All right, let's open up the rear one. And to power up the unit, it obviously comes with the cigarette lighter. And on the Jeeps, they have 2 ports. One turns on with the key, and one is fully on all the time. So I'll let you know which one's which. Oh, this is how it connects with the rear, the USB-C. And also another thing to keep in mind, these cameras are 1080p, 60 frames per second. So you're gonna get good quality. And I'll include some footage once we install it. Let's see the rear. No, not that rear. Ooh.
Look at that.
That one's nice too. I like how it's USB-C as well. That's really
nice.
cool. Oh, it twists, so you can adjust it.
Yeah.
That's dope. So let's go ahead and install this. So this is the mount, and we're gonna put it together so we know exactly where we're gonna put it. I don't know where Chris wants to, but
Intense music. Play.
nice. So you just have to hear it click, and now choose where you're gonna put it.
Wait, how rough is this?
So you're thinking about right next to the rear mirror.
Yeah.
I think that's good right there. That's a
We
good
need
spot.
to power it on.
Oh, let's test it first. Obviously, we've changed things up since we added the radio, but usually you have 2 sockets on the bottom. So this one on the right side is the one that's constantly on. The one on the left is switch powered, so just keep that in mind. Oh, that's dope. So you can still connect the USB thing in there. Sick. Oh, English. That actually started really fast.
French?
No. It also asks you for the speed units, which is miles per hour, kilometers.
I'm always in KHM.
Okay.
I'm always around 120.
Yeah, right.
Oh, wait.
Oh, wait. You got to take off the blue thing, Chris.
Little phone. Come on. It's called the
Come on,
phone.
man. Noise.
Damn.
And there it is. Hear it. Oh, it also tells you the speed that you're going.
That's not good.
That actually looks really good, the quality.
All right, let's see.
Pick it up. Nice. All right, Chris, you ready to put it on?
No. All right, moment of truth. Wait, let's make sure. Can I see my stuff? Can I see my stuff? Can I see it? Can I see it?
That's it, and just press it up. So we're actually running this through the top over here, and I ran it underneath this cover through the side, and we're gonna run it through the bottom, have it nice and tucked, That way the cable, you can't see it anywhere. So we have the dash cam connected there. Ran the wire underneath here, up the side right here, through this plastic here, and over the headliner, so you can't see any wires, which is really nice. Now for the rear view camera, we're gonna have to run this USB-C cable, which we'll do the same thing, run it through the top, probably on one of the edges. And the rear view camera, we have to connect it on the inside of the car. So we're probably gonna do it at the top in the middle. I don't know, what are you thinking, Chris?
Probably top and middle.
All right, let's go ahead and install it. So we're running the cable for the back, and on the driver's side, it has like a little tube. I'm guessing it goes all the way through the back for some wiring, right?
Probably.
So we're gonna run it through this piece here. Yeah, I think it does go all the way through the back. Pretty easy. Why do they all come off so easy, Chris? You see, oh, right there it stops. Okay, so on the passenger side, on the rear it stops, but we can still pull it through. Yeah, oh, I found another one. There's another one of those tubes there, so we'll push it through that. And for the rear cable, you'll have enough slack to reach the rear. We're gonna stuff the extra wire right here in this plastic. That way it's out of sight, out of mind. And then we'll see where we're gonna put the camera on here. So we have the camera here now. And if you check on the screen, you can actually see the camera is working. So we're gonna go ahead and mount it. So Chris wanted it on the glass itself, on the hatch. And since it opens, we're gonna have to leave a little bit of slack. Not this much, but we're gonna test it right now once we open it.
I never open it.
But there is, well, you better, because I'm back here. And we'll see what it looks like on screen as well. And there it is. Probably put a little piece here to hold the wire.
Don't worry about these.
Yeah, don't worry about these wires. Those don't matter. So let's see what it looks like from the back. You can't even tell the camera's there. That's actually really nice to have.
Incognito.
Yeah, incognito. And let's check out how it looks on camera itself. And it is recording right now. That's actually not bad. The rear is really wide and the front is like just the perfect amount, I think. So let's go ahead and review the footage on the laptop.
I mean, that's good.
All right, so it's recording now. So that was the stock audio from the camera itself. This is me and Chris walking by. It looks really good, and I slowed it down to test the frames per second. And then this is the rear camera, and it looks really good. Also, the reason I have that bar at the bottom is because that has the GPS location, so I don't want you guys to see that. Chris was saying this is probably the best job we've done. We still need to tuck this wire up, but this is, I think, perfect placement so you can still see it. All the wires are hidden. The back, we just need to put a little clip to hold the wire up a little bit. And then over here on this side, everything's tucked, so you don't see any of the wires. And it connects right there, so that's not bad. And this has a light here to let you know when it's on. On this socket, it's always going to be on, so we'll probably have to unplug it, that way the battery doesn't drain. But this is a really nice unit. Let's check it out from the front. You can barely even see it. I wonder why. It's right there though. So here's some footage of us actually driving the Jeep in the dash cam, and it does record audio, but I put it down so I can put this voiceover. And as you can see, this camera has HDR, which means if there's a bright sunset or sunrise, it'll correct the image brightness, so it's just looking good all together. Here's some night footage. So right here is some lights that are lighting up the road a little bit, but as you can see, it looks really good at night. The windshield is dirty, that's why you see all those like spots, so don't worry about that. And right here, it's like a pitch black area, so it's only using the headlights to lighten everything up, and it honestly looks really clean, like really good, other than the dirty windshield. But don't worry about that, we'll clean it. But yeah, what do you guys think? Leave in the comments down below. Anyways, that'll be it for today's video. What do you think about it, Chris?
Oh, I like it.
And it's a pretty simple install as well, so I feel like anybody can do this. And if you're looking to purchase one, they'll be linked down below in the description. Anyways, that'll be it for this video. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.